Hey everybody! Thank you for joining me today. So, today is going to be fun. It's going to be short. It's not going to be very long, but I have a mini haul that I wanted to share with you from none other than my little scrapbook store, of course. One of my most favorite places to shop. Such a lovely family, and it's family owned. And Michelle, the owner, she's just such a sweetheart. So, I'm going to share with you what I got. So this is a small order. I still have one that I'm waiting on to come in with the new items, but I wanted to share this because I found out about the like simple stories templates that they had, and I went and tried to get all the ones I could find. So I'm going to show you all the stuff that I got. So they just came out with the mini inks for Distress Oxides, right? The first batch have come out. And I wasn't going to get them because obviously I have all the colors in the larger sizes. But when I first started collecting the Distress inks, I had originally got the Distress minis for the regular inks. And so I'm like, I definitely want the minis and the oxides because one, I think they travel better. So I don't have to bring all of my big inks. I can just bring these small ones when I go to the crop in October. They got these stencil brushes that came in for the Distress line. The bigger one they already had, but they came out with a mini. So I had to get that. The craft paper, craft perfect, I should say, squares are one of my favorite adhesives, like the foam adhesives. I love it. And then I also got this grass stencil, which is kind of hard to see in the plastic. Sometimes they're hard to envision, so I'm going to pull it out and put it on top of some cardstock so you can see it. But I love doing backgrounds. Like I did a cloud background before. This would be great to do like at the bottom and then have like a sky paper at the top of of your page, and you could create your own grass with that. I really do like that. These are the stencils I was telling you about. I am so intrigued by them. They're 3x4 and 3x3, 3x4 and 4x4. There's all different shapes. And then this is all just 2x2. And I want to say it's like 8x8. Then we have a 4x4 with a 4x6. Now, I actually put my stencil in backwards because as soon as I got it, I had to play with it. So that's why it's reading weird, in case you catch that. And then this one was actually a card kit, and you get 6 3x4 stencils, okay? And then it came with a paper for sparklers. Oh, and I did a live using this. I can't remember the name of the paper. But what I will do, since my live has already been out, at the end or in the description below, I will put the link to the live video if you guys want to see me use this collection in action. It was a lot of fun. I'm digging these templates. There's something about them that makes it go a little bit quicker, and yet you still get good bang for your buck, for your layout. So, like I said, this was going to be super short. But I thank you guys for joining me, and keep an eye out because I do have a video for today going over some of the stencil brushes. So keep an eye out. That'll be coming soon. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a great day.